Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix hidden option is not showing on Android. If you are using an Android phone and now you can't find hidden option on your Android, so let's see how can you fix it. First, you have to look for Google Files app in your phone. If you won't find it here, you just have to open Google section and here you will get it. But if you won't find it here, so you have to install it from Play Store app. You go for Play Store, open search and search for Google Files or Files app. Just search for it and you just have to install this application. As I have already installed it. Now open it and here you'll get all of your files of your phone. You just have to select three horizontal lines or menu icon in the left right corner. Select it, then select settings. In settings you will get different options. You just have to select show hidden files. Just enable it and after that the hidden files of your phone will appear in your storage. You just have to open storage or internal storage option, select it and here you will get all of your hidden files of your Android phone. So that's how you can easily access hidden option or access hidden files on your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.